Here's how you can recover deleted photos and videos on your Android phone. So, if you've accidentally deleted photos or videos from your Android phone, don't panic. In most cases, they are still recoverable. In this video, I will show you a simple method that actually works. First, understand this. When you delete files on Android, they are not instantly gone. They stay hidden in storage until new data overrides them. So, the faster you act, the higher your chances of recovery. Now, for the solution, there's a tool called Stellar Data Recovery for Android. So make sure you use Stellar Data Recovery for Android to recover your data deleted from your phone. And they were kind enough to sponsor a part of this video. And I will show you exactly how to use it. So first, go to the link in the description and download it on your computer. So once you click the link in the description, you'll be on this page. Simply click free download button and you will see this page. Now, a file will instantly get downloaded onto your PC. What you'll have to simply do is navigate to the downloads folder on your PC, then double click Stellar Data Recovery for Android.exe and it will ask you permission. Simply click next. Now, click I accept the agreement and click next. Now click create a desktop icon, click next and you would have successfully installed it on your PC. Now, simply double click the applications icon and open it. Now, connect your Android phone using a USB cable. Make sure USB debugging is turned on. If not, go to Settings on your mobile phone. Now, scroll down at the bottom and click About Phone. After you do this, click on Software Information and click Build Number 7 times. So tap 7 times on Build Number and enter your mobile PIN. Now, click OK. Now, after you do this, Developer Mode will be enabled. From here, you're going to simply go back and search for USB debugging and click USB debugging. Simply enable this option and click OK. Now, click Allow USB debugging. Now, once connected, the software will detect your device. Here, you're going to simply make sure that you select Recover Android Data. From here, you'll have to choose whether you want to recover photos, videos, audio, call history, contact, messages, or documents. So, all of these are automatically selected. What you're going to simply do is uncheck all the boxes that you don't want to recover and select the things that you want to recover. In my case, I will select photos and videos. Now, I'll click Next. As you can see, the connected device is showing here. I will click Scan. Now, this software will scan my phone for deleted files. This can take a few minutes, so just let it complete. Don't disconnect your device during this. Now, after the scan, you will see this page where you'll have to first of all click on Photos and click Deleted and simply select the photos that you want to recover. For example, I will select this one, and this one. I can also scroll down and select the photos that I want to recover. Now, I can click Videos and here I can select the videos that I would want to recover after clicking on Deleted. So, I will simply select the videos that I want to recover and click Save. After I click Save, I will click Browse and here I will have to choose where do I want the photos and videos I recover to appear. So, I will select Desktop, or what you can also do is click Make New Folder and give this folder a new name. Anything you want. I will leave it as it is and click OK. Now I will click OK again and it will instantly start exporting the photos and videos just right there. Now close Stellar and simply open the folder where you have the backup, click Photos and you will see the photos that you would have recovered from your mobile phone just right here. As you can see, these are the 2 photos that I recovered and the videos will appear just right here. So basically select your files, click Recover, choose where to save them on your computer, and that's it. Your deleted files are back. One thing I like is that you can recover up to 10 files for free, each up to 10 MB. So you can test it before upgrading. Link is in the description if you want to try it. So make sure you use Stellar Data Recovery for Android to recover your data deleted from your phone. And yeah, act fast before your data gets overwritten. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and thanks for watching.